Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today we're doing another challenge video. The last one was a lot of fun to make, so we wanted to do another, and I'm gonna have a couple new photographers here, and I'm gonna let them introduce themselves, as well as let you guys know what they're gonna be shooting with.
What's up guys, Roland Sanchez here with Roland Sanchez Photography. You can also follow me on Instagram under Sanchez_Roland. Today I'll be shooting with a Canon 5D Mark IV with a couple different lenses. I'm going to be using 24-70 f2.8, the Mark II, and I'll also be shooting Sony a7 III with the 85mm Sigma Art. So just I'm a hybrid shooter, so this is why I'll be shooting with both systems.
Hey guys, my name is Joe Sanchez from LJ Photography 26. Today I'll be shooting with a 5D Mark III and a Sigma 51.4, as well with a Sony a7R III and a 24-70 2.8 and a 135 2.0.
And I'm going to be shooting with the Sony a7R III with two lenses, the Sigma Art 105 1.4 and the Samyang 35 1.4. And we're all going to be taking pictures of this awesome model. I'm going to let her introduce herself, as well as let you guys know where you can find her on Instagram and YouTube, right?
Yes, that is correct. Hi everyone, my name is Sara Lopez, and you can find me as Miss Sara MUA on Instagram and YouTube.
All right, so now that you guys know who we are and what we're going to be doing today, let's talk about what the challenge is going to be today. The challenge is going to be model mirroring. Model mirroring. We're going to basically direct the model with our bodies and not our words. We're not going to be able to talk whatsoever while we're doing our photo shoot, our 5-minute photo shoot. We're all timed. So it's going to be a little bit challenging. I think it's a little bit challenging with you.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see? What do you think?
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
Yeah, I think it's going to be fun. That's why we wanted to do this challenge. I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's go ahead and start to shoot.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's see, maybe next to this tree over here. Camera right? No, where you were. Oh wait, I can't talk now. Oh yeah, I can't talk, right? Can we talk for the light? Okay, yeah, get it closer. Closer and then angle it down. The only thing I want to... I can't talk. Oh. The BTS, just the BTS. Right there? Right here? Oh, back, yes, perfect. You got 20 seconds, Roland.
Time.
Next spot. I forget you can't talk. I'm like, why is it so quiet? Three, 2, 1, 0. Next spot, right? Over there. This building here. Bring the light real close. follow him. Your time started, Roland. You have 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. Yeah, I got you. It's mine now. Three, 2, 1, go. There. Woo woo. All right, time started. One. Good. It's not his turn, and he's getting exposures and testing his settings out.
Here it is.
All right, there's fine.
You know sign language is cheating.
Is that light high enough?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is just for BTS. Wait, 1, 2, 3. That's for BTS. Okay. Three, 2, 1, good. Ah, you lucky son of a gun.
Oh, you got the best shot.
Yes. No, I'm in the way. 3, 2, 1.
All right, now it's freestyle.
It's just because it's so nice out. Why would we waste it? Come on. If you can stand over here, Roland, and then just hold it there. Look off, look straight, like to the light a little bit direction, like that. Yeah, there. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. At the edge of that fence. Okay. 50 times. All right, guys, we just got done shooting. It was definitely an experience, and we want to let you guys know what we felt throughout the whole shoot. So we're all gonna take turns and tell you guys what we felt and what we experienced.
Well, with this challenge, I actually had a lot of fun. I was nervous coming in, thinking it was going to be some other dumb challenge, but
I wanted to see you.
or harder. But I was like, you know what? Just conversing back and forth with the model, non-verbally, just posing and doing it. It was a little challenging because I wanted to talk.
What parts did you have? You had some issues.
Being that far from the model, and of course, I was trying to show her how to pose. And we struggled a little bit, right? So I was just trying to get her to pose, but my time ran out, so that was it. But the shots came out awesome. Yeah.
What did you experience that was a bit challenging for you?
Trying to take as many good shots within 5 minutes. I mean, this is something that's new to me. Someone finishes, the time automatically begins, and it's kind of hard.
It's like a domino effect, right? Like he goes and I go, then you go.
It is, especially doing everything on the fly. That's new to me, especially having to pose a model without speaking. That's.
I mean, posing a model is already hard.
Exactly, and then doing the micro adjustments.
I mean, like micro adjustments, like.
Oh, I'm sorry, adjustments. Yes, like you start off a certain way, and then you start moving the chin, the arms.
Very small adjustments.
But yeah, I mean, overall, it was fun. It was a good experience. I had a good time with Sara. Sara was an excellent model. She knows how to pose. That makes the job of a photographer that much easier for us. So yeah, that was great.
So the issues that I experienced where I kept wanting to talk. If it's not posing, you can still talk to the model about like
Life.
what movie came out or something like that. Yeah, I really wanted to just talk to her, but that was the main thing. I like to talk to people. But enough about me. I want to ask the model. Her name's Sara Lopez. You'll find her on Instagram in a second. How did you feel throughout the shoot? Was it hard shooting with several photographers, especially if they couldn't talk to you?
It was fun more than anything. I had a lot of fun. It was something new and challenging, so that was super fun, and I enjoyed it. I had a great time.
Did you shoot with several photographers before?
No, well, at the once before, but it wasn't like on the spot. Like we had time, we could relax, but this one we had to keep on going.
We definitely had to keep going, and it was timed and everything, so it was like we had to be quick.
Yes, you had to be quick.
Yeah, so that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoy the photos that we all took. I'm pretty sure they're really, really legit. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next challenge video. But before I go, I'm gonna show you guys exactly where you can find all these different photographers and the model. Where can we find you again?
You can find me at Miss Sara MUA on Instagram and YouTube.
I'll put down the bottom of her somewhere here. And then where can we find you again?
I am on Instagram, LJ Photography. I'm on Facebook as well, but more of an Instagram type of guy.
More Instagram.
And you can find me here on Instagram at Sanchez_Roland. That is Sanchez_Roland. See you guys on the next video.
You guys know me, FJH Photo. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Well, I meant to go like this versus like this.